Today we're discussing concrete overlays versus full replacement cost, the key factors and what to consider. Starting with concrete overlays versus full replacement cost. Overlay, 6 to 10 square feet, good if cracks are minor. Replacement, 12 to 18 square feet, required if subbase has failed. Quick answer: concrete work typically costs 8 to 15 per square foot for basic installations, 16 to 28 for decorative finishes. Get 3 quotes for accurate pricing. Next, concrete overlays versus full replacement, cost and decision guide. When your concrete is damaged, you have 2 options: overlay, resurfacing, or full replacement. Understanding when each is appropriate and their costs helps you make the right decision. This guide covers exactly when overlays work and when replacement is necessary. Regarding concrete overlays, $6 to $10 plus per square foot. Overlays are thin layers of new concrete applied over existing concrete. On how they work: bonds to base, must bond to existing surface. Moving to when overlays work. Overlays are good if cracks are minor, hairline to 1/8 inch, cosmetic only. Furthermore, base is stable, no settling, heaving, or base failure. Surface issues only, problems are cosmetic, not structural. Next, cost factors. Example cost range, approximately 6 to 10 plus per square foot. Actual costs vary based on. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.